I recently received the Anbernic RG Cube, and before I actually dig into it and turn it on, I just wanted to show what the actual device comes with. I did order the extra case, and nothing really fancy about the case. It's just one of those weird, like rubberized cases that perfectly fit the RG Cube and have a little storage pocket on the side, so you can actually store your cables and whatnot. So this is kind of nice. So the actual cube itself, the case is pretty nice actually. I've tried opening it before. I did pick up the gray one versus the other colors were purple, and then there's a black one too, and I believe there was a white one, but it was kind of a beige white. So yeah, I guess we'll see how that turns out. So opening this up, nice little case. Looks pretty nice, pretty well packed. They protect it with, well, this doesn't really provide much protection right here, but it does have a little bit of foam on it to protect it from getting damaged in transit. So this one has like Famicom vibes if when you take a look at the actual color scheme of the device. But you have your USB-C on the bottom, microphone jack, fan output, which is actually the top. Holy crap, I'm holding it upside down. And the buttons on the back, they feel pretty nice. I heard there were some issues with the actual sticks themselves where they don't register as well. There is a third-party patch that fixes it, and there's supposed to be light bleed on the screen, but I will figure that out once I start it up. Other than that, it feels actually really sturdy and really nice in my hand. As you can see, this screen, it's hence the name, a square screen versus the usual like 4:3 and other aspect ratios of the screen that you see. So this makes it a bit unique and definitely different from what we're used to when we see like actual emulation devices like this. But can't wait to dig into it. Looks pretty cool so far. Can't wait to, I don't know which game I'm going to try first. Maybe I'll let my daughter decide on that. But that's all I have for this. I'll provide some more feedback once I actually get some games on here and actually kind of modify it a bit just to my liking. There was a couple of recommendations that were made for this device. Other than that, enjoy. This is the RG Cube, and hopefully I'll have some more information soon. Aloha.